Good morning, students. In this video lecture, we are going to see assignment number 2. The problem given is a pentagonal plane of base side 30 mm resting on HP with one of its base edges, which is inclined at 45 degree to VP, and its surface is inclined at 30 degree to HP, and draw its projections. So the given condition is the surface is inclined 30 degree to HP, edge is inclined 45 degree to VP, one of the base edges resting on HP. So the resting part is edges resting on HP, that resting edge is inclined 45 degree to VP, surface inclined 30 degree to HP. So if you read any problem, the surface inclination you have to look for. Based on the surface inclination only, you have to decide whether to start the diagram in the top view or in the front view. For example, in this problem, the surface inclined 30 degree to HP. So a pentagonal plane is available. Now, when the plane makes an angle of 30 degree to HP, how to start the diagram? In which view you can able to see the pentagon shape and size correctly, in front view or top view, that you have to decide. Since plane is inclined to HP, you have to assume that plane is parallel to HP. Now in top view you can see the pentagonal plane shape and size correctly. The true shape is visible in the top view. So if the surface inclined to HP, you have to start the diagram with the top view. Now when you start the top view, there are two possibilities available. Whether to draw the top view in this orientation or to draw the top view in this orientation. How to start the diagram? Now look at the initial position here. I am going to keep one side here. This side is perpendicular to VP and lying on HP. This base side is perpendicular to VP and lying on HP. Now when I rotate the plane here, this side will lie on HP. So when I keep one base side perpendicular to VP position, when I rotate the front view, this base side will lie on HP. Okay. Now this perpendicular to VP position. In this position, when I rotate the front view, this side will lie on HP. Now, I am keeping corner in the initial position, like second diagram. I am keeping one corner at the left side of the top view. Now, when I rotate the plane, front view, which part of the plane is lying on HP here? So this corner is lie on HP. So in the first position, if you draw the top view in this orientation, edge will lie on HP. If you draw the top view in this orientation, the corner will lie on HP. So you have to be very clear in this. So based on the surface inclination only, you have to start the diagram. Here surface inclined to 30 degree to HP. So you have to start the diagram in the top view only. Because surface inclined to HP means we are going to assume plane is parallel to HP and start with the top view. In top view only you can see the actual shape and size of the pentagon. Now draw the XY line. So using the set square, draw one 90-degree line. Keep some space here. pentagon base side is given as 30 mm. Draw 30 mm line here. We will keep 30-degree inclination here. Sorry. The outer angle of the pentagon is 72-degree. Draw 72-degree. So this outer angle should be 72-degree. Similarly here, draw 72-degree line. Outer angle should be 72-degree. Now we keep 30 mm. Similarly here on this line. I keep the protector here. 0 will be here. So 72-degree. Draw on 72-degree line. So on this line, take 30 mm. Base side is given as 30 mm. On this line, you have to draw the 30 mm line. So now you can close the pentagon. After that, you can erase the extra lines available here. Now, using the projection through all the corner points, draw the vertical lines. We are going to look front in this direction. So A, B, C will be visible. A, B, C will be visible. Behind the corner point B, D is there. So D will not be visible. Behind the corner point A, E is there. So E will not be visible. So this will be your front view. Now the pentagonal plane lying on the horizontal plane. And the second diagram, the plane surface is inclined 30 degree to HP. Now mark one point on the XY line. Now we are going to tilt the front view so that plane surface will be inclined 30 degree to HP. So mark 30 degree here. So draw one 30-degree inclined line. On this line, you have to transfer this front view. Just I am going to rotate the front view to 30 degree so that plane will be tilted to an angle of 30 degree. Okay. Now, can use your divider or compass. Now measure the front view A dash to C dash. So this end point will be same notations you have to transfer here. A1 to say A1 dash and E1 dash. Now measure A to C and transfer on the line. So this will be C1 dash. The same way measure A to B. So this will be B1 dash. Now we have tilted the front view to 30 degree so that the plane surface is inclined 30 degree to HP. You can erase this extra line. Now using this top view and front view, I am going to draw the apparent top view, second stage top view. That you can construct only by projection line. Now through all the endpoints of the top view, all the corner points of the top view, draw the construction lines. Now extend the corner A from the top view, A1 dash from the front view. So both A and A1 will intersect together. This will be A1. Extend B and B1 dash. This will be B1. Then extend C1. C. This will be C1. Similarly, extend D. Here you are having D1. Extend D. This will be D1. Then extend E1 dash D1. Now join all the corner points, you will get the apparent second stage top view. Erase the extra lines. Now enclose this top view inside the rectangle. This will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now this top view I am going to rotate in the diagram. Now mark one point here. Now the edge is inclined 45 degree to VP. Which edge you have to rotate here? Now as per the given condition, one of the base edges resting part is edges resting on HP. So this edge AE in the initial position is lying on XY line. That means edge A1, E1 is lying on HP. So when you rotate this top view, so in the final diagram only, that edge inclination will always be available. That can be say as this top view apparently inclined 45 degree to VP. Like that also I can say. So this resting edge A1, E1 should be inclined to VP in the final diagram. So that this top view I am going to rotate in such a way that top view is inclined 45 degree to VP. Now, so mark one point here and draw the 45 degree line. On this line, I am going to transfer all the parts of the second stage top view. Now randomly mark one point. This will be this corner point, this of the rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are going to transfer this 1 and 4 on that line. Now measure 1 to 4 and transfer. So 1, this will be 4. Here you are having 90 degree between 1, 4 and 4, 3. Same 90 degree you have to maintain here. Keep the set square scale on this line. Draw the 90 degree line. Similarly, through the 1, also you have to draw the perpendicular line. Okay. Now measure 4 to 3. This 4 to 3, I'm going to transfer. Similarly, this 1 to 2. So this will be corner point 2, this will be corner point 3. Now measure this 4A1. A1, E1 available on the line 1, 4. So on this line 1, 4, you have to transfer A1, E1. So measure 4A1, transfer the A. Measure 1, E1 and transfer on this line. Likewise, you have to transfer all the remaining corner points. So measure 4B1 and transfer on 4, 3. So this will be B2. Then 1, D1 and transfer on 1, 2. Then transfer 4 to C, sorry, 3C1 and transfer on 3, 2. And join all the points using scale. Now extend this corner point A2 vertically, A1 dash horizontally, forming A2 dash. Then extend the corner point to B2 vertically, B1 dash horizontally. This will be B2 dash. Same way, extend the corner point C2 and C2 and C1 dash, forming C2 dash. Then extend D2 vertically, D1 dash available here. Extend D1 dash horizontally, forming D2 dash. Extend E2 vertically, E1 dash horizontally, forming E2 dash. Now join all the points in the alphabetical order, A to B, B to C, D, E, and A. Now look at the diagram. All the three conditions should satisfy in our diagram. Surface inclination will always be available in the second diagram. So the plane is inclined 30 degree to HP. The resting edge, the initial position, you have to maintain one edge here. So AE will lie on HP in the second diagram. The final diagram also, the edge AE is lying on XY line. That means the edge, whatever the edge you are keeping, AE in the initial position, that will lie on the horizontal plane. So this resting edge AE is inclined 45 degree to VP in the final diagram. See, this resting edge AE is inclined 45 degree to VP in the final diagram. So all the three conditions are satisfied.